Suppose you are scheduled to service a pool on Friday, but Friday is a holiday and you want to service that pool today. How would you enter that information? Well, that's a future service. So click on Setup, and it brings up the Setup screen, and then you click on Future Service, and then it will warn you that you're about to replace the pools in the app with a new set of pools. So go ahead and click Yes, and then it will bring up the calendar. Now you're going to choose the date on which the pool is to be serviced. So since the Friday pool, we're going to select this date, and you'll notice it puts the date up at the top. So then we click Finish, and when you click Finish, it's going to go out there and contact the server and get the pools for that particular date. So now that I've got my pools, I click OK, and I return to the setup screen. I click Finish, and it's going to take me to the main screen. So I click on Service My Route, and you'll notice it'll bring up all the pools that would normally be serviced on that date. Now, up at the top, notice that it says Route Sheet and it says Future. That's to tell you that you're about to enter service for a future date. Now, remember, on the calendar you chose a specific date. That date applies to any pool you service here. So if you were to service each of these pools, they would all be listed as being serviced on that Friday that you selected. If you want a different date, you have to, once you finish servicing a pool, go back to Future Service and pull down a new service date for a new set of pools. Okay, so now all you have to do is click on the particular pool that you would normally service on that date, and then you're going to service it like any other pool. So you click Start, you're going to log your chems, log your task, and whatever else you need to log, and then click the Finish button. Once you finish servicing the pool, you can then send data to Office. At that point, remember, you're still in the future service route. So if you need to go back to your regular route, go back into Setup and click Get Route to get today's route. But that's how you enter a future service.